Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you all the best deals going on at Walgreens for the week. I'm going to talk with you about the best grocery deals happening. I'm going to talk with you about the best overall deals happening and some rebate deals I did. I'll share clearance pictures at the end of the video. I'm also going to talk about how I've been using those Procter & Gamble register rewards that we have a lot of. Thankfully, at least mine don't expire until the end of the month. So I'm going to go through all of that with you guys. I know the video is getting out a little bit later than normal. Couple of reasons. One, I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning and the deals just didn't really excite me, and so there were no like super easy, I knew it was going to take me a little bit longer to put together what I thought were the best deals for the week, so I went back to sleep, and then I woke up a little bit later, and then got this together for you guys, so I apologize for that, but I really just wanted a laid-back weekend this weekend. We legitimately did nothing, stayed at home, I organized, I cleaned, I caught up on emails. One thing exciting that I did, and I'm going to talk more about this, I joined the Healthy You TV. It is a exercise program, but I saw an amazing deal. You can get an entire year for $3. So I'll drop that link down below, but I always like to try out deals before I tell you about it because I don't want y'all paying for stuff that I don't think is worth it. Now, you might think it's worth it, but I tried out this Healthy UTV yesterday. I did like a jab, punch, crunch, hit workout. It was amazing. Like I feel nice and sore, like in a good way this morning. So I actually really love the platform, and I'll talk more about it in like an article that I'll write for you guys. But if you want to check it out, $3 for the year. Amazing deal, and they have like recipes and a community forum and all of that type of stuff. So if you want to check it out, I have the link down below. Now, let me talk to you about the food deals. I did not do these food deals this morning. I just had these in my pantry or my refrigerator, and I'm using them as visuals because I thought they were good deals. The cashews, $2.99 for, it was the 8.5 ounce bag. So that like per pound price is a really good price, and we can use our Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay. So if you like nuts, check out the ad because I found these at $2.99 for a bag. The Pop-Tarts, there's a couple of different ways you can do the Pop-Tart deal. They're all buy one, get one free. So the 8 counts were $3.99, which leaves you paying just short of $2 a box. The 12 count boxes were $4.99, so $2.50 a box, which I believe is the better value there if your store sells the ones you like in that 12 count. But if you're a Pop-Tart fan, they're buy one, get one free this week at Walgreens, and you can use your Walgreens cash or your register rewards to pay for that. The old El Paso products are also buy one, get one free. So the taco seasonings are $1.29. That makes them just 65 cents after that BOGO sale. Again, you can use your Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay. The, again, I did not buy this morning. This was something I had bought for a video before and we just haven't used it. The taco shells, Old El Paso, also buy one, get one free. They're $2.99, so $1.50 per box after that sale. Now, the Simply Lemonade, these are $2 and where did I write it? $2.49 each. Now there is a coupon for $2 off 3. So if you pick up 3 of these at $2.49 minus that $2 digital, you'll pay $5.47 for all 3 of them, or just $1.82 each. And that was the online price for curbside pickup. I'm not sure what the in-store price is. It could be a little bit higher. Now, the other food deals that I saw, hot dogs are buy one, get one free. So they're 2 for $8 normally, which makes them 2 for $4 or $2 each. The Pringles are on sale, 3 for $5, which one of my followers last week told me, hey, that's cheaper than what we can find at Walmart. And even better, the price is good, plus you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for it. So those were all the food deals that I saw this week that I thought were notable. Now, the other deals are a little bit bigger than normal. Like I said, there weren't any like simple deals this week that I thought were worth doing, but let me talk you through the different deals that I did. The Gillette Labs product. So this 4-count cartridge is $24.99. Now I had a $10 digital that I already have saved in my account. It did not come out this week. There was a $5 digital that came out this week. But check your saved coupons and see if you have that $10 digital saved. If you purchase this on its own, $24.99 minus that $10 digital, you'll pay $14.99 at the register. Now, I had a digital spend booster for spend 22, get $5 in Walgreens cash. I used that on this purchase. So I paid $14.99 at the register. I got back the $5 for spending 22. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for purchasing one of these, which is the deal this week. But then I got 2 additional $5 register rewards. One for spending $15 on the P&G products, the other for spending at least $20 on personal care products. That made this little package all free and a $5.01 moneymaker. Now, if you do not have a spend booster, it would still be completely free. You don't want to pay with your Walgreens cash though. So pay out of pocket for this. And then you'll get back the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying one, and then the 2 $5 register rewards for spending 15 and for spending 20. You have to do this deal in store. You no longer get register rewards on curbside orders. Now, again, if you have that spend booster, I got an additional $5. So, another deal you can do. I did this deal, I want to say 2 weeks ago. It might have been 1 week ago. With the higher value digital coupons. So I'm going to tell you how I did it again this week with the lower value digitals that I still had in my account. So I picked up one of the Venus razors priced at $11. I picked up one of the Venus refills priced at $15. This is on promotion for spend 25, get 10. Okay, so obviously we spent 25 when we purchased both of these. Now check your account to see what digitals you have. I had a 7 and a 5, but I had already used those. So now in my account, I had a $4 digital and a $3 digital. So I paid $19 at the register. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, as well as that $5 register reward for spending $15 in the P&G products, and the $5 register reward for spending at least $20 on personal care items, making them both free and a $1 moneymaker. So a great deal on that. Of course, if you have the higher value digitals, that would make it a bigger moneymaker. If you want to use your spend booster this way, you absolutely could, making it a bigger moneymaker. Now, what am I doing with all of those Procter & Gamble register rewards? Let me tell you a scenario where you can use those for a great sale price. Now, the Tide, the Downy, the Bounce, and I think it was the Unstoppables maybe, they're all 4 for $9. Okay, so I picked up 4 of the Tide at $9. Now you can add in this Dawn dish soap at $1.29. I know we wouldn't normally pay $1.29 for it, but that gets our total to $10.29. We can use 2 of those $5 Procter & Gamble coupons, leaving us to pay just 29 cents out of pocket for those. So that is one way you can use those $5 Procter & Gamble register rewards that we've been getting so many of. And I know a lot of people have been asking, how do I use them? How do I use them? How do I use them? One idea. All right, the all is kind of the easy deal for this week. It's $3.49. There is a $1.50 digital, leaving you to pay just $1.99 for this detergent. Oh, that's opening. Now, the more complicated deal is on the Listerine. I did this video, a couple of weeks ago, so you can double check that video if you want to see a different way of doing it. Today, I'm going to show you how I did it at the store today. I picked up 3 of the Listerines at $6.29 and 2 of the Listerines at $6.29. I wanted to get my total above $30. The Listerine deal in store with Walgreens is spend 10, get 5. So for every $10 you spend on Listerine, you're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back. Now, because it is a spend deal, don't pay with Walgreens cash, okay? So every 10 I spent, I got $5 back. So I spent 30, which means I'm going to get $15 in Walgreens cash back. Now, there's also 2 different rebates that you can take advantage of. There is the Ace Your Checkup that gives you points for the dollars that you've spent, and then you redeem those points for a gift card. So because I spent $31.45, I submitted my receipt, I will get 3,145 points back, which is equivalent to a $10 gift card, Visa gift card through that Ace Your Checkup. Now, there's a second rebate, Activate Rewards rebate back to college, where if I'm purchasing at least $25, which I did, I get a $10 gift card. I've already done this deal once, but they're both a limit of twice per household. So follow me on this again. $31.45 is what I spent. I paid with all manufacturer register rewards. Now, everyone commented on my last video that they paid with register rewards, they paid with coupons, and they didn't have any problems getting their rebates. We don't want to pay with Walgreens cash, but I paid with manufacturer register rewards, and I used like the, I'm trying to remember, I think it was from the Proctor & Gamble deals that I had done. So my out-of-pocket was almost nothing. And then I got back the $15 in Walgreens cash for spending $30. I got back, or I will get back, a $10 gift card from Activate Rewards, and then I'll get back the $10 rebate for Ace Your Checkup, making my final cost completely free, and an $8.55 moneymaker, because when I purchased those, I also got a $5 register reward for spending at least $20 in personal care. So amazing deal, and that moneymaker helped cover all of the other items that I bought today, making everything that I purchased this week completely free. So awesome, awesome deals. That's how I did my deals for this week at Walgreens. If you're finding other amazing deals, definitely share them down below in the comments. I know there were some deals on Crest, like buy 2, get a $3 register reward. The Colgate you could still get for free, but it was a register reward deal. And I've told you guys before, register reward deals are not my favorite because I especially with how many I have right now, I just didn't want to buy something I didn't need to get a register reward that I would then have to figure out how to use. So I passed on the oral care deals this week. That option is totally up to you. Stay tuned for the clearance pictures at the end of the video, and hope y'all have a great start to the week. Thanks.